For this reason, Sri Krishna is Sarva Karana Karanam. Sarva Karana Karanam. He is all and Sarva Karana Karanam. When we search the root of the all, the Sri Krishna is after all. He is all. He is all in everywhere. If we worship the Sri Krishna, that is the full of worship. Without this, which is where? Ghora is? Ghora, that is Ghora. That is 5 Ghora. That is horse. There are more strength. Ghora means 5 ripu. Kam Krodh Lobh Moh Mad Matsarya. That is 5 ripu. More powerful. People cannot control him. If you want to control him, you surrender under Sri Krishna. And the Roshi is the Sri Krishna hand. Just like all the strength is Sri Krishna hand. If we want to control the strength horse, the horse power, you surrender under Sri Krishna. And he is all, Sarva Karana Karanam. If we search the root of, we understand that Sri Krishna is Sarva Karana Karanam. And the Singho, that is lion on the wheel, that is Chakra, that is Sansar Chakra, that is Chakra is the powerful. Satya, Treta, Dapar, Kali. That is Chakra, Yuga Chakra, that is Samaya Chakra, Time Chakra. Time means Kal Chakra, that is time. Time is not end. That is more powerful. From the horse power. Satya, Treta, Dapar, Kali. That is three. Satya, Treta, Dapar, Kali, 4. And to take the 4th, that is Chaturjug. And that is 1000 Chaturjug. If we see the 1000 Chaturjug, to take 1000 Chaturjug, and when we see the thousands of Manujug, that is Brahma's one day. And there are vast of Brahma. No, the limit of time, that is the so powerful, that is time. But the times God is Sri Krishna. Only Sri Krishna can control that. If surrender under Sri Krishna help to control them. And when the Sarva Dharma Parityajam, when he left all the dharma and surrender under the Sri Krishna, then he can protect him. When he appeared at the battlefield of Kurukshetra and helped to Sri Krishna, this is not the help. He said, surround the walls. He said his money. He said his main money, surround the world. Oh, Vishwavasi, world man. Saw himself. When you go in front of the mirror, you can see your body. And when you saw your body, this is the mist in Khiti of Tej Murugam and 26 elements. So You and I is differ. When you say disease, I disease, not anyone say. When I disease, my eye disease, my hand, my leg, extra. He did not say eye leg. That is differ from I and me. I and my. I is the Atma and my is the body. There is Khiti of Tejmurudom, that is body. And I is Atma. When you know the Atma, you search the why it's, from where it comes. You will find that only one God. And God, where Mahaprabhu, there is God. And God thinks, He creates. At last He creates all. When you think you are Atma, you search the root of that. Who creates it? That's that time he searches the God. Where he searches the God? He search and go to Dhyan. Dhyan means Dharana. And go to the top. That is heat. When you heat, that heat go to up. Like the water, when Baspo that is, he's up, hyper, up. When your wish will be heated, that is up. Dhyan will be sadhana. Dhyan means dharana, desire. When you go to desire, that is dhyan. Next you go to tapasya. Next you go to sadhana. That is vasana and kamana. Next you go to tapasya. And that will be when go to the Ishwar, Sri Krishna, and when to meet with Sri Krishna, that your Atma will go to meet with Sri Krishna. That is moksha. That is the all root of all. And the moksha, the Sri Krishna, Sarva Karanam. Sri Krishna is the Sarva Karanam. Sri Krishna is the Sarva Karanam. We see the Sri Krishna Arjun's Rath, and this is the Maidan. And we see that the different kinds of children who are playing here. They do not know the gods. People think, why we shall go to teach about the God. No, about the God. They do not think the root of that, of the spiritual path, the spiritual world. For the religion, they do not. Their parents do not care for shelter under the gods. They think that when we shall be go old, then we go to the God's feet. When they go to the old, they cannot go there. They finished all. They have no strength of body. They beloved. They cry, how I do. When they think they have no other spot. But when they think that, they all did not try to teach the spiritual path of their children. That is their misfortunate of the world. For the reason, the children are not good under the shelter under the God's feet, and the God's Sri Krishna's feet. That the misfortunate is not only the fathers. This is the misfortunate. For this is the children's misfortunate. It's not for. If we discuss that Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we understand that according to our act and activities, we are born for the reason. There are, see, the 84 animals. We go to born as animals and tree and extra for act and activities. If we believe the Janmantarvad, we take birth in the world according to our act and activities. As the magistrate, justice. If man do bad work, he go in jail. Just like when we do bad work, we go the different kinds of born. There are 82 lakhs born. At the final of the man, at the final of the children, if we go to surrender under the God's feet, we go to Moksha, otherwise we go 84 lakhs born. We born according to our act and activities. For the children are not misfortunate. For the parents, for the act and activities, the before act and activities. We see, oh God, Sri Krishna, oh God, there are different kinds of children here. You blessed you, God blessed upon them. I request you to keep to touch your feet. I request you, O God of Sri Krishna, you blessed upon them the children. After that, I finished. O God, Sri Krishna, blessed upon them, blessed upon the children.